Good morning, dear students, and welcome to history class. Dear students, in this video I would like to give some guidance to complete the project. How to complete your project. I have already informed you the topic and also the contents. No, your topic is Vedic culture. Okay, so class 9th B has the topic that is Vedic culture. It is a project about the Aryans and their civilization. Okay, so first of all you have to purchase file. I mean a file and sufficient papers from the shop. While purchasing the file, okay, green color file you have to purchase, and then two types of papers. Blank paper, I mean white paper without a line, and lined paper. So what is the use of these two papers? White paper is essential, okay, to fix the photo. Okay, and lined paper is essential to write the contents, I mean things. Okay, so that is the use of two papers. So white paper, paper without line, and lined paper. Sufficient paper plus stencil if you want, sketch pens, I mean different colors to write the headings. Okay, and how to start? So first of all, you on a first page you will write the topic's name, Vedic culture, history project work. Okay, first you have to write history project work, topic Vedic culture. Okay, Vedic culture. Then on another page, introduction. What is introduction? Introduction about the project and about the topic. Introduction, I am going to read introduction, so okay, please listen. It is the introduction for a project. Project work is an activity which aims to give students learning experience with the chance to synthesize their knowledge from different areas of learning, which is critically and creatively applied to current life situation. It is a kind of learning that helps students gain knowledge and skills by working for an extended period of time to investigate and respond to an authentic, complex question or challenge. This process, which enhances students' knowledge and enables them to acquire skills like collaboration, communication, and independent learning, prepares them for lifelong learning and the challenges ahead. So this is the introduction. And the next paragraph, it is my sincere effort about the topic. Here I have explained mentioned the topic. I tried my best to complete the best project with pictures and simple language presented by your name, class, year. And in order to complete a project, pictures are very essential. Photostat copy, color copy, you can. So pictures are very essential. For example, okay, here one topic is epics. No, there you have to picture of Mahabharata, Ramayana. Okay, so then another, okay, first page introduction, and next page acknowledgement. What is acknowledgement? On a page, okay, heading you have to write acknowledgement, calligraphy or stencil or your handwriting. Acknowledgement. On this page you have to express words of gratitude to the people who helped you in order to complete the project. Principal, your subject teacher, your parents, your friends. Okay, so that is acknowledgement. There you also have to, below you have to write your name, presented by your name, class, section. Okay, and then okay, third page, contents here, right? Contents. And on that page, all the contents, one by one. You have to put the number 1, advent of the Aryans, 2, early settlements, 3, the Vedas, 4, the epics, original home of the Aryans. Okay, like that, all the contents. And then another page. Okay, first content, advent of the Aryans. What do you mean by advent of the Aryans? Arrival of the Aryans. So there I explain arrival of the Aryans. Then next page, early settlements about the Brahmavarta, Aryavarta, early settlements. No, okay. The Vedas, all the Vedas here explained with the picture. Okay. The epics also, original home of the Aryans. The class divisions. Okay, class divisions means that we have learned about the Varnasramas. No. Brahmins, Kshatriyas, Vaishyas, Shudras. Asramas, we have learned 4 asramas, the Grihastha, Brahmacharya, Grihastha, Vanaprastha, Sannyasa. Finally, you have to conclude. Suppose you are going to write an essay. No? Essay has introduction, content, and finally conclusion. So, you have to conclude. Then bibliography, sir. What is bibliography? Bibliography is a page. On that page, you have to refer the names or mention the name of the book which you referred. Okay. Suppose your textbook is a reference, no? On that page, total history of civics, history and civics, class 9, the author of the book. Okay, her name also you have to write. That is bibliography. On a page, you have to mention the names of the books or the periodicals or the magazines you referred to complete this project. Okay? That is bibliography. If you collected a picture from a newspaper, that newspaper is also a reference for your project. So mention the name of the newspaper. Okay? Not internet. Okay? So that is bibliography. So listen, what is the structure of a project? Introduction is there, acknowledgement, and conclusion, bibliography. In between this, there is contents. Okay. So first page, history project work. Then the topic name presented by. Okay. This is the method of completing the project. In order to complete the project, it is very essential to refer many books and you have to collect the pictures too from various magazines, books, newspapers, color picture or photostat copy, all are acceptable. But the pictures are very essential. Okay. So I will complete the project, and I will announce the date for submitting the project. Okay. So this textbook is a reference for you. Okay. It is a topic about the Aryans, early settlements of the Aryans, Brahmavarta, Aryavarta we have learned. Land of Brahma, land of the Aryans, and the Vedas, 4 Vedas and the allied Vedas. Okay, all you have to mention. Okay, thank you.